Okay, good morning, guys, and welcome to another episode of Country Technicals. As you all know, as we all know, this is basically a market outlook section. We get to see what opportunities can grab from the market, and you guys get to see my strategy, my entries and exits. Yeah. So yesterday was great. Today we hope it's gonna be more great or better than great. Yeah. So I want to welcome you all. As usual, it's always nice having you guys. Yeah. So let's get started. Fundamental wise, we don't have 8:30 a.m. Is this thing for you? Okay, sorry, I've not logged in my account on this stuff, that's why. So the time actually resets now. Okay, someone is saying something. Ah, it's good to be here. Who is iPhone, please? I see your comments in the comments side, but I don't know who iPhone is. One sec, guys. Okay, good. The time is back to normal. Good. Okay. Like I was saying, yeah, fundamental wise, we have high impact news at by 1:30, core retail sales, and then retail sales. And then we have another high impact news by 3 p.m. consumer sentiment. But I don't think it's gonna move the market like yesterday. So let's just sit back and watch how it goes. Yeah. Like I used to always tell you guys, if you don't have a fundamental trading strategy, don't trade when the news is out. Do you understand? Sit out and wait. Or if you have any setups, you can enter with low risk. Do you guys understand? So let's jump on our charts and see what we can get today. Good. So normally we start with AED/USD, but today I want us to start with GBP/USD. This was what made us money yesterday. So I am still looking at it critically. Yeah. So it looks like we're turning bearish. Let me do this and explain. So this was where we got. Where did we actually get that buy yesterday? This was where we got that buy yesterday. The buy was just small, and we exited around here. And look at how the buy pushed up. So basically, we retraced, and then we created another high. And then we came down, we created another higher low. Equal highs, we failed to actually break structure. So it's more like a double top, and now price is coming towards break it. So now, as usual, what we wait for? A retest. So we highlight our area of importance, our zone, yeah, and keep. And then what we basically wait for now is for price to get back to that area. You guys understand? So let's see what's happening on the 15 minutes. Price has already broken clearly on the 15 minutes. So what we like to look for now is to see price come back into these levels. Now, once we see price into these levels, we look towards catch that sell from here and then take it to wherever the retracement started. So that's what we'll be looking at for on GBP/USD. Hope you guys understand it. It's very simple setup. Yeah, it's almost like the one we got yesterday, but just that it's a bearish market now. So AUD/USD. Let's look at AUD/USD. Let's look at AUD/USD. Sorry, AUD/USD. Wow. I think that's the only thing I can say. Wow. This pair is still not decided. This pair is still not decided. This pair is still not decided. It's almost like what we're having on GU, yeah. But then the funny thing with ADS is that we pushed down, yeah. We broke structure. We created another high. Now we're coming in to create. Basically, we have not formed anything here, so it's still more like one leg, that retracement phase. So, but man, after seeing what GU is doing, GU is already bearish. But let me treat them as two separate. Okay. So what we can do now is let's drop our FIB and see. Has price gotten into our golden ratio areas yet? Yep, it just tapped into the 0.6. So what we can look for now, yeah, just go to your 15 minutes, look for any entry criteria. We see any rejection candles here, then we're going to be taking the buy. If we don't, then we leave. Now, secondly, this is what I'm going to be looking out for again. This is even the one that I want. I'm actually doing that first one because that's a market structure. But then the second one that I'll be watching out for is what? The break of these lows here. Now, if I get a break at these lows here, so something like this, if I get a break, what I'll be looking out for is that retest. So it's almost the same thing with GBP/USD. So that's what I'll be looking out for on this pair. So the first one is we've plotted our Fibonacci. Let's wait and see if we can get our rejection candle inside this area here. Inside this area here. If we can get that, then we'll be taking those buys. But if we can't, then so we'll wait for that break to the downside. Please don't take the buy on AED, wait for that confirmation. Hope you guys understand. Now it's still the same thing with AED, but I think AED created that double top formation. Yeah. Okay, someone is saying something. Change of character. Yeah, it's change of character. Yeah, change of character. So basically, we had a push. Oh shit. Okay. A push, a pullback. Yeah, we failed to create another high. And now we broke that neckline to the downside. So basically, what we can look to get is what's that retest of the neckline. So it's going to be something like this. We've broken structure here. So what we would like to see now is price just breaking clearly. Okay, it has not broken yet. This candlestick has not closed. If this candlestick closed below, do you guys understand? Then we'll have that break of structure. So once we see a candlestick close below, then we'll be looking to see that retest of this, the retest of this level here. And then we can maybe jump on that sell. So that's how I'm going to be looking at it. That's the first way I'm going to be looking at it. I think that's the only way I'm going to be looking at it. If we don't have a retest of that, please, there's still another level here that we can actually break and then what's catch a retest. So that's basically what I'm looking at for on NZD/USD. Then your USD is still the same thing as GBP/USD. What is this? Hi. Oh, this keyboard. Sorry. The keyboard is quite shitty. So your USDT is just tapping into these levels, yeah? That's not broken it yet. We have not seen a candlestick close. Now, if we get any close of a candlestick below this level, then we have a clear break of structure. So now I'll be looking to take that retest. So that's the same thing. So that's what I'll be looking out for on all these pairs. It's basically, I think apart from GBP/USD, AED/USD, no, GBP/USD, NZD/USD, and EUR/USD, we're having some sort of bearish bias. Let's go to GU. Let me look at this stuff again. I think GU2 has not broken. GU2 has not broken. This candlestick is just pushing down here. So we might actually just see a massive rejection before the hour and the hour close. We have just 29 minutes remaining. So just watch out, guys. Until we see that candlestick close below, we don't have a break of structure. Hope you guys understand what I'm talking about. Okay, I've looked at all the pairs I trade. So what other pairs do you guys want us to take a look at today before we go? Or what questions do you guys have before we go?
Please, can we look at gold?
Gold. Sorry, XAUUSD. Baby boy gold. Yeah, yeah. Gold actually came back to these levels. Yeah. I think I was looking at this thing at night yesterday. Okay, it's now that I'm even seeing it more clearly. But we don't have that rejection candle yet. I think that's what I'm concerned with. Yeah. Gold is an expert with manipulations. So I always want to be clear before I do anything on gold. So basically, this is what happened, yeah?
Yeah.
We had a push. Basically some sort of higher high that was not created. And then we broke this low to the downside, yeah? And then we came back to retest it. I think why it pushed down here is because people already stacked orders here, but they were not enough. So now price is pushing back up. And I feel it's not ready to sell yet, because there's no rejection candle on the 15 minutes. So even if it's going to sell, I'm not going to take it right now. If it sells too, I'll look out. Once it sells and then breaks this neckline to the downside, what I'll now do is highlight this one too, and then wait to see if I can get a retest. So that's what I'll be looking out for on gold. So if maybe we see price go back up here, yeah, comes back up here deeper, and then we see candle, then we can take that sell. But if not, then we'll wait for price to actually break this low here. I like all these confirmations because it's actually better. Yeah, once it breaks, then maybe we can look for that retest. So that's how I'll be looking at gold.
Okay. Thanks.
GJ, that's GBP, JPY. And it was GBP, JPY that still gave us profits yesterday. GBP, JPY. I wonder how I forgot. Guy, like we caught pips yesterday, but compared to what happened yesterday, we not catch pips. It was like, look at the setup we had yesterday, and I feel it's because I was not trusting this setup. That's why we did not just shoot for the stars, but we shoot for the moon. Like, God, this thing is very funny, honestly, very funny. But let's look at what we can grab today. So, almost the same thing as GU, yeah. We pushed up, we pulled back, failed to create another high. It's if you look at it, it's looking like a range, yeah. And then now price is trying to break that low. So if we can get a break of structure, then we can look for that retest. So let me show you guys the points, the level that I'm looking for that break here. So now if we can get that break of structure, now what's the break of structure? If a candlestick close below, we have a break of structure, but that's not when we're looking for a retest. So you allow it to push down small. Then once it starts retracing, you can wait for the sell. Once it retraces and comes back to this level, then you can take the sell. God, I beg. Not to be mechanic. Who go I see this stuff? The chat section. God, I don't want to be a mechanic. No, yesterday's pips, yeah. Honestly, looking at what happened yesterday, it's not like I'm sad, dude. I don't want to sound ungrateful, yeah, but it's just one of those days. Just one of those days that we just didn't capitalize on the setup. But it's all good. We'll still get another setup. It's not so. No worries. Is there any other pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go? GU. Okay. We'll look at GU again. Okay. Someone said we should look at GU again. So if you look at it, then we'll go. Yeah, it has not broken. Yes, this candlestick must close first. You understand? No worries. Is there another pair you guys want to take a look at, or any questions you guys want to ask before we go? Okay, I'll take the silence as a no. That being said, I want to thank you all for attending this session, and not just for today, but throughout the week. On Tuesday, we started rough this week because on Tuesday we don't have any session. But then subsequently we balanced. Yeah. I am very, very grateful. Yeah. Without you guys, we know 1 to 3 technicals. It will be, but it will not be what it is today. Do you understand? So let's just keep pushing, guys. And like I always say, keep an open mind in the markets. The only thing that is sure in this market is that anything can happen. And always trade from that perspective. Now, most times when I say anything can happen, you guys will think it's just bad things. Good things too can happen. So if you see your setup, take it. If you don't see it, leave it. Do you guys understand? Take the high probability setups, leave the shitty ones. Because if the shitty ones chop all your capital, what will you now use to trade the high probability ones? Do you guys understand? So stay safe, guys. Have a very wonderful trading day, and then a wonderful trading weekend. I mean a wonderful weekend subsequently. Catch you guys on Tuesday, same time.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, let's see. Why is this stuff not working? So you just have to wait for the timer. Yeah.